Hi guys, it's me. A quick breakfast, a quick healthy breakfast this morning. I did a omelette with spinach in it and mushrooms. And I added some cherry tomatoes, my favorite, just a toast with a little butter on it. But I decided to do a cheesy spinach mushroom omelette this morning. And I like to add a little bit of Spanish hot sauce on my omelette. I do. I like it with a little kick on it. Not much, but just a few drops like this. And that's what I love on my vegetable omelette. There it is. Bye guys. See you guys later. Bye. Bye.